Hey, what is going on guys? I'm Mario and welcome to Mastering 3D Modeling in Maya. I'm very excited to share this training with you as it's packed with a lot of content and even more will be added over time. So in this training, you will learn everything from how to use the software to advanced 3D modeling techniques. The complete series is divided into 6 classes and each class contains one or multiple courses. We'll begin with Class 1. This class is primarily focused on getting ourselves familiar with general modeling tools in Maya. We'll learn to navigate and customize the Maya interface, and we will also learn how to handle basic modeling tools that we'll extensively use in our future projects. Every tool is explained in great detail so that we can maximize our workflow efficiency later. We will cover the basics of topology and complex poles, and after the introduction of the general modeling tools, we'll go through the complete step-by-step process of creating a pen and a tablet. Class 2 will be our most important class. In this class, we're going to get ourselves familiar with the theory and the basics of clean topology. Our focus here is to establish a solid foundation and understanding of general modeling rules. Regardless of what you want to model in the future, be it a robot, tank, car, environment, all these objects cannot be made without a solid understanding of the topology rules. So here's what we're going to cover. General overview for sub-D and non-subdivision modeling techniques, how to handle edges and their behavior flows in sub-D modeling, how to handle and avoid common mistakes like pinching and distortion in meshes. We'll go in great detail on edge flow redirection techniques, and we'll practice edge flow with multiple examples and how to work in stages or passes. In Class 3, we're going to implement everything we learned in previous classes and start our practice with simple objects like camera and earphones. All lessons are recorded in real time, and there's a step-by-step explanation of each action made. Class 4 is where we start working with more complex topology. In this class, we're going to explore complex shapes while designing a weapon from only a silhouette. In this 4-hour session, you will learn how to approach a 3D model creation and deal with situations and challenges that a project of this size could hold. Here we're going to cover topics like blocking out a weapon silhouette, refining the shapes, establishing supportive edges, taking a closer look at creating clean topology, how to approach complex and advanced meshes, establishing proper edge flows, and detailing process. In Class 5, we're going to focus on hard surface workflow and how to approach and tackle even more advanced designs. In this 4-hour session, you will learn how to approach a robotic 3D model design and how to deal with situations and challenges that one project of this scale could hold. We're going to cover topics like blocking out our designs, refining the shapes, working with supportive edges and subdivisions, working with panel breaks, and working with curves and final details. But that is not all. We will also explore rendering in Arnold and how to light our scenes, how to work with materials, and get clean looking renders. But this is still not all, and we have one more class left. So Class 6 is reserved for critique, feedback, and assignment review. So sometimes watching video tutorials might not be enough, and we do not know how we're properly developing a skill. So in this class, we will take a closer look at student project files. We will talk about potential problems one can encounter and how to avoid bad modeling habits early on. So if you ever wanted to have an in-depth critique and feedback on your progress, this is the class where we explore the risks and solutions to the most common 3D modeling problems.